What?
There's 3 cars sitting here that have a bunch of work being done on them.
Right?
You're just sitting there. It's been like 6 months since we've last made a video.
It's not been that long.
Yes, it has. There's a bunch of stuff needing done for that Alpha. There's brake upgrades, it needs an MOT. We could be doing that right now.
Do we have to?
Yes, come on.
Come on then. To be fair, we haven't been that lazy.
No, you're right. We've been doing a bunch of stuff in the background and there's a bunch of new content coming in future episodes.
Yeah, loads of cool stuff to come. But first, we're going to upgrade the brakes on the Alpha.
Okay, so while me and Dad won our little 6-month break, we had a package right from Mtec. We got brand new front and rear discs and pads that we're going to be putting on the Alpha today. So before we do that, we'll cut to a little cinematic shot and then into a time lapse. They're a little heavy.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
The loophole's sitting on 2 sets of axle stands at the moment. We've only got 1 set free, so we're going to work on the back first. We've got handbrake cables to do, and the rear discs and pads, as one of the handbrake cables is snapped. Just change the 2 of them, new brakes. Let's cut to a time lapse of jacking it up and getting the wheels off.
A ramp would be so much easier. One day YouTube will have a ramp. Dad,
Go for it.
make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Don't let me sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave.
This centre console needs to come out to do these handbrake cables. I have no idea how to get this bit off. I'm hoping it's just clips. Hopefully.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Found £1 for the new videographer. That's your pay for the day, Sophie.
Take you like a get my fill.
Next one's coming in, Charlie. You got it?
I'm trying to plug it in.
like we said earlier, we went for the dimpled and grooved discs from Mtec. These are available in they're available in hook pattern. What else did they have, Charlie? Dimpled and grooved, drilled and grooved, grooved alone, drilled alone. These are all made by Mtec, available in loads of different fitments. Jump onto their website, have a look. But yeah, these should be a massive improvement to the Alpha.
Well, this is all stripped down. It's a great opportunity to give your backing plate a quick rub down and a quick respray. There you go.
That just shows you how often you use your back brakes. These pads are what, when I bought this car, the garage who we bought it off put brand new brakes on it, and that was what, 3 years ago? And the back pads are still, looking at the new ones, you're lucky if they're half worn in 3 years.
Yeah.
These ones will be better anyway. Whenever you're fitting new brakes, it's always a good idea to take your old one and your new one, sit them side by side, and just check the diameters okay. And then if you spin them round, you can check the height of the top part, make sure it matches up. They're perfect. And then obviously the stud pattern, when you put it on the hub, make sure that's correct, and you're good to go. we've got a bit of a pickle. We've only got one spare set of axle stands because the loophole's sitting on the other two. We need to put the wheels back on so we can put the stands on the front, but I didn't want to put the old wheels back on. We were going to keep this for the next episode, but we've got some new wheels for the Giulietta right here.
Well, that's it for today's video, where we fitted the new Mtec discs and Mtec pads and the handbrake cables.
Handbrake cables and new wheels.
We also fitted the brand new wheels. Catch us next week, where we'll be tackling the front. We'll get the discs on there and the pads, and it may be slightly more difficult because the left caliper is a little seized.
Yeah, there's something causing that to jam on. It was actually pretty much on fire the last time I drove it. So it could be down to a seized flexi, it could be a seized slide on the caliper, a collapsed flexi pipe, so we'll get that stripped, we'll have a look on the next video. And we'll refurb the calipers as well, because they're a bit smoky looking.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because it helps us out and it helps us create more content for the channels for you to watch.
And remember, comment what colour we should do the car, because we're seriously thinking about changing the colour.
Yeah.
See you next time.